Hello students, today we are going to start with the 11th unit of your syllabus is Marketing Management. Marketing Management unit revolves around the promotional strategy, decision regarding the product, how to promote the product, how to do the marketing of the product, how to increase the sale of the product. Marketing management means marketing plus management. Before understanding the meaning of marketing management, we will understand the meaning of marketing. What is marketing? So let us start with the meaning of marketing. In earlier time, marketing refers to only the buying and selling activities, but nowadays, after increasing the industrialization, nowadays the complete focus is on the customer setting. Nowadays, marketing is not only buying and selling of the product and services. Nowadays, marketing starts before the production and goes even after the production. How starts before the production nowadays? Ki before doing production of goods and services, do the complete marketing research, conduct market survey, know the customer taste and preferences, collect the information about the product, about the future products, future prospects, about the past trend, competitors, what type of strategy they are. So there is a need to conduct market survey or market research to know the condition of market, to know the customer taste preferences, and after doing the product planning, design the product and then start production and then selling of the product and how it continues after the sale of the product, because the customer satisfaction is the main focus. So provide them provide them guarantee warranty of the product, and also provides customer care center facilities which solve the customer grievances regarding the product. So nowadays the focus or marketing revolves around the customer satisfaction. A marketer manager has to satisfy customer at anyhow. If customer is satisfied, so again and again they will purchase company product, and then it is possible to increase the sale of the product. That's why the complete focus of the marketing is on the customer satisfaction. Now marketing is what? Market is a social process. Why it's a social process? Because there is an interaction of buyer and seller by which individuals obtain what they need and want through creating offering. कि we people being a consumer, individual or groups purchase those goods and services which satisfy needs and wants. And how we purchase goods and services? When marketer or company offer the, so marketing is a freely exchange of the goods and services of value with others. Now the features of need and want ki first of all, before starting the production of services, to know the customer needs and want, what exactly they want, and then produce the goods according to wants of the customers. Because if company is able to produce the goods according to the need of the customer, then only again and again customer buy your product, and it will be easy for the company to retain and to grow the customer. Second is creating a marketing offering after the production. How customer will buy your product? When company offer the product, that means complete offering of the product with the features, with the price, with the quality of the product, customer value. Whenever customer buy your product, they pay for it, to provide them such type of goods and services which provide them value of their money, that means worth of their money. Fourth is exchange mechanism. There should be freely exchange mechanism, means the buying and selling of the goods and services. So these were the features of marketing. Next is marketing management. Marketing management means marketing plus management, means use of management function in the marketing, means use of planning, directing and controlling the activities which result in exchange of goods and services. Clear? So that means use of planning, organizing, controlling, directing to achieve the objective is known as marketing management. Clear? It involves following activities: choosing target market, second is growing customer in target market, and create superior value. Choosing target means select the portion which garment factory, to which section you want to hit: women, men or child. So first of all choose target market, then growing customer in target market means attract the customers towards your product and to retain them with your product. It's not only to attract the customer, it means for the long term to retain with your brand. The third is creating superior value. Always provide extra superior value, extra feature in your product. It will give advantages, competitive advantages over the competitors. Make up your product attractive, provide them extra feature over the competitors so that the customer will buy your products. So this marketing management. Now start with the marketing management functions. First is gathering and analyzing market information, which is also known as marketing research. First of all, conduct the market's purpose of conducting market research. Why marketing research is conducted? To gather and analyzing the information. Collect the informations about the market trend, about the past trend, about the future prospects. Business which you are going to start, that business has future prospect or not. What exactly customer want, what type of product at presently they are using, and what type of changes they want. So understand the market and customer both. Clear? The second is marketing planning. After gathering the informations through the marketing research, now make a plan to objectives. What type of product they will produce, what type of strategy they will use. So there will be many objectives of marketing management, so there is a need to make a separate plan. So under the marketing planning, new important area of work of marketer is to develop their strategy. The third is product designing and development. Before research and development team will design the product, we will decide the feature of the product, color of the product, technology of the product. So first of all, before production, we have to design each and everything regarding the product. The fourth is standardization and grading. Standardization means deciding the standard of raw material, of machine, deciding the standard of color, deciding the standard of using various parts of the product. So to bring the uniformity in the product, if we are buying suppose toothpaste of Close-Up, of Colgate, of any, whenever we buy, we find uniform just because of the standardization. The second is grading. Grading means classification of the product on the basis of the size, or basis of the on the basis of feature of the product. Like in L'Oreal shampoo, there is a different color, and like shampoo for dry hair, shampoo for dandruff, white color, pink color. So this is the grading of the product. Packaging of 100 gram, packaging of 500 grams. So this is known as the grading. The next is packaging and labeling. Packaging means deciding the wrapper, box or container which is used to carry the product, and it is also helpful to keep the product safe for long time. Like packaging of the milk, pouch of the milk, bottle of Limca, Coke. So the easy use of the product. Labeling is a slip which is found on the product, which gives the complete informations about the product, like name of the product, brand logo, ingredient, MRP, expiry date, customer feedback number, MRP. Sometimes packaging and labeling can be same or sometime can be different. Suppose the packet of Lays packet is a packaging and the information is printed on the packet. In this case, packaging and labeling both are same. But if you see bottle of Limca, bottle is packaging and the wrapper around the bottle is the labeling of the product. Sometimes it can be same or sometimes it can be different. Branding is a process of assigning name, sign similar to a product. It gives unique identification to the product and it makes it identification to the product through which you can customer easily identify the product. Pricing of the product means to decide the price of the product. There are various factors we should be keep in mind while deciding the price of the product, like demand and supply, product cost, government rules and regulations, competitors. The next is promotion. Promotion means to increase promotion means to promote the product, to increase the sales, to give the informations about the product to the customer through advertising, through sales promotion, through personal selling, through public relation, publicity. Promotion steps are helpful to increase the sale of the product. To decide which kind of strategy and promotional mean they will use. Physical distribution, there is a place gap between the production and the consumption areas. Need to make the goods available at the consumer place. There are various channels of distribution, direct or indirect. Direct means producer to consumer directly, like services of restaurant, services of saloon, services of tailor. And indirect may there is a use of middleman, retailer and wholesaler. The next is transportation. There is again place gap between the production and the consumption. To transfer the goods from one place to another by using railway, truck. Next is storage and warehousing. There is a time gap between the production and the consumption. So meanwhile there is a need to keep the goods safe in the warehouses. So this was about the functions of marketing management. Thank you.